Are you struggle with bald spots or thinning hair that just refuse to grow back? What if I told you that there are 100% natural method to regrow bald spots in as little as 1 week? No chemicals, no side effects, and no expensive products. I tried this powerful remedy myself and the results were unbelievable. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare it, how to apply it, and why it works so fast to wake up your dormant hair follicles. First thing is to be my clean jar. My first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Guys, please stay with me to the end of this video because I will unravel the secret step that makes this method work even faster. And if you are serious to grow back your hair or to grow your hair faster, please watch this video to the end. Do not skip any bit of this video because every step of this video are very, very important. So our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Do not underestimate those tiny seeds. They are loaded with proteins and the nicotinic acid. Those things your hair loves. Together they stop breakage, thicken tiny strands, and actually speed up new hair growth. Fenugreek seed also fight dandruff and scalp irritation. So your scalp becomes the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Our second ingredient is onion. I'm using purple onion. You can also use white onion if it's what you have available. Onion juice is like food for your hair follicles. It's rich in sulfurs, which strengthens hair roots, improve blood circulation, and wakes up those sleeping hair follicles that cause bald spots. It had been used for ages to fight hair loss, and trust me, it works like magic when you are consistent. I repeat, when you are consistent. Okay, so what I did, I cut the onion I was using into half sizes. Okay, so I'll be using half of the onion. After cutting it into half, I peel off the onion peel and remove the head and the tail. They are not needed. I went off camera to wash it. After washing it, I'm dicing it into a small sizable. So after dicing it, this is what I have so far. Is roughly like 2 to 3 spoons of this sliced onion. Okay, so next I will do now, I will transfer it into my jar containing my fenugreek seed. There are more important ingredients to add on this recipe, okay, later on as this video progress. So after transferring it, next thing now, I'll just pour in my hot water. So you can also infuse this by boiling method, but I like doing my infused method. Okay, so do the one that works for you. As usual, I love infused method so much. Okay, so I'll just cover it up and keep it to infuse for 12 hours. Do not infuse this more than 12 hours, please. Okay, so once it's 12 hours, you see these ingredients of fenugreek seed and the onion have released their nutrients into the water, making this water the powerful solution of our hair problems. Okay, this water is very, very potent and very, very powerful. So to extract out this water, we need a help of bowl and a help of sheaf cloth, okay, so that we can collect our powerful solution tea spray or hair tonic. Please and please do not underrate this treatment. This treatment is a solution to that your hair problems. It will help to thicken up your hair like crazy, give you that voluminous hair, that thicker hair, that fuller hair, and that high density you have been looking for. This tea spray, there's no joke, or this treatment, there's no joke with it. Okay, so moving on to our last but not the least of our ingredients is castor oil. Don't ever joke with castor oil, and castor oil is a must in this recipe. If you want this recipe to work that super faster for you, add castor oil on it. And castor oil is the queen of hair thickness. If you want fuller density hair, castor oil is unbeatable. It deeply nourishes your scalp, lock in moisture, and coat each strand so it grows strong and thicker. And here is the good part of castor oil. It actually helps your hair grow faster because it stimulates circulation while protecting your scalp. Don't ever joke with castor oil on this recipe, okay? This recipe is a must try. This recipe is very, very powerful and very, very effective. If you are not ready to regrow your bald spots, if you are not ready to see that thicker hair, if you are not ready to grow your hair like crazy, don't ever try this recipe. Just skip this video, okay? Because this video is for those that are ready to solve their hair problem, those that are tired of their bald spots, thinny hair breakage, and weak strands. Okay, so now I've shown you how to prepare this recipe. Now let me show you on how to apply this recipe to achieve that best result. Okay, there are different ways to use this treatment to get that best result, and I will tell you all the ways you can use it to get that best result, and also I will tell you the best way to also use it to achieve overnight results. Okay, so first step to use this treatment for that best result, use it as your prepo. Prepo is a treatment you apply on your hair before you shampoo your hair, and while using it as a prepo, just use it overnight, apply it on your hair and sleep with it. The next day you can now start your wash days. Okay, the second way to use this treatment to get best result is to use it as your final thin rinse. Okay, final thin rinse after shampooing your hair should be the last treatment or the last step on your wash day routine. Pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp and cover your hair for some minutes or hour. Remove it and rinse it off and moisturize your hair. The third way to use this treatment to get best result is to use it as a pre-conditioner. Pre-conditioner is after shampooing your hair, apply it on your hair, apply the treatment on your hair and follow up with your deep condition with it. Leave it for 1 hour or 45 minutes. After then, rinse it off and continue your wash day routine. The last stage on how to use this recipe to get that best result is to use it as a leave-in treatment. Apply the treatment on your hair and allow it to sit on your hair. Do not wash it out, okay? And if you want to use it as your leave-in treatment, make sure your hair is clean. Don't use it on a dirty hair. Dirty hair, I mean hair that you have not washed for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, even 2 weeks, unless you are not applying too much product on your hair. But if you normally use products every week on your hair, please wash your hair before you can use this treatment. Okay, so apply this treatment on your hair as a leave-in treatment. Focus under your problem area. After applying it on your hair, massage your scalp very well, follow up with your leave-in condition and cover your hair. I repeat, cover your hair, your shower cap, your cellophane nylon or your heat cap for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Allow your hair to air dry. Repeat this 3 times in a week for that best result. Okay, so guys, out of these 4 ways I told you on how to use the treatment for that best results, the one that work more faster and more effective is the one that you leave on your hair. The leave-in treatment, okay, is the one that works super fast. So if you want to see that faster growth, if you want to see that faster results, that faster effects with the treatment, use the leave-in condition on. Okay, use it on your hair 3 times or 4 times in a week for that massive growth. Okay, so this recipe can last only about 5 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remaining, make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch. So when you combine those 3 ingredients together, onion, fenugreek seed and castor oil, you get a natural powerful house treatment that regrow bald spots faster, thickens thinny hair and stop shedding and breakage, give your hair healthier, shinier strands, all without chemicals or side effects. So these are the best way to regrow down your bald spots, your thinny hair, stop breakage, hair shedding, hair fall and see faster growth. Don't joke with the treatment, okay? So let me know in comment section below, have you tried this recipe before? If you have not, please, I will encourage you to give it a try, okay? And believe me, you will never regret that. Just be consistent. Remember, consistent is the key, okay? And also, let me know if you will try this recipe on your hair. Let me know, okay, in comment section below. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, do wait to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this, okay? Thank you so much for joining this beautiful family. And also, please, if you have not liked this video, help me to click on that like button. It really helps me and it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they get the good news on today's video. I believe that this video will help a lot of people out there, okay? So guys, I have come to the end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.